Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make TikTok video with your own voice. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my phone, and first of all, I'm going to open up my TikTok application and I'm going to create new post. I'm going to click on this plus button and I'm just going to select a photo from my gallery. I'm gonna go with this one and I'm gonna click on next. And if we want to add our own voice, we can click on this little arrow and then select the voice right here. Okay, and here you'll be able to add your own voice by recording your voice. I'm going to practice it for you guys. I'm gonna tap on record and click on this icon to start the recording. Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you. Okay, and you can apply filter to your voice if you want. There are a bunch of filters you can apply. You just need to select the best filter for your voice. Okay, once you're done, you can click on save. Okay, and after that, click on next to post your TikTok video with your own voice. Alright guys, and that's all the way to make TikTok video with our own voice. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.